Friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a video on a small setup, a budgie setup which I have. So I will share with you the complete setup, how I started, so how old is the setup and all the things. So basically I have started this setup 4 months back, and you can see here this is the pair. This is one pair which is the pied, and I had put spangle, and I have a second pair which is a normal the normal budgies. So this is a second clutch. First clutch I had actually got 6 chicks. So this is a second clutch which is the breeding is going progress. So I will take little more closer. You can see the chicks in the pot, and the same way these are the chicks of the last clutch. So I have got a red eye and got a good spangle, 2 spangle chicks. So they're actually doing really good. These are almost 45 to 50 days old chicks, and from the same clutch I have removed 2 sets of chicks. This you can see a red eye. Yeah, now it's clear. You can see a red eye and a normal one also. So just put for a pairing. So let's see how the progress goes. I'll share with you the progress of the pair. So we'll be doing the setup little more better after some time. So I'll be sharing the work as well. So please subscribe the channel, and within the channel we'll share a lot of interesting videos. So basically like to introduce new breeds and share with you a new experience. So I like to breed, especially I don't know much selling part in it, so but likes to breed. So let's see how the experiments and what exactly we can expect. So within a few days we'll be able to give you some more videos on different varieties of budgies. This is spangle. You can see it has a very good marking. So let's see how the breed comes out. So this is also last clutch chicks. So last clutch was very good for me. So we'll share the progress of the setup.